In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to pin or add Gmail to Windows 11 taskbar. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, proceed here at the button search bar and type for Gmail. Once you've typed it, wait until you'll get to see a best matched here in this window before we continue. Okay, so once a best match has been seen, all you need to do is you need to proceed here at the right side and wait until you'll get to see an option called Open File Location. Once it's here, click on it. And in a few moments, you would be able to bring up or you would be navigated to this kind of location where you can see the Gmail. Okay, here you can see shortcut to Gmail. Make a right click here. Then you need to go with this copy icon. Close the window opened and here at this desktop, please click on paste. Okay. So once you have successfully created a Gmail desktop shortcut, you need to proceed to the adding or pinning it to the taskbar. So by that, you need to select it, and while selecting it, sorry, you need to make a right click and then you need to proceed here under this show more options, click on that one. The moment you click on it, you'll be able to open this kind of window where here you'll get to see the pin to taskbar next to scan with Microsoft Defender. So click on it, and in that way, in a few moments, you'll be able to pin it here to the taskbar. Okay? Now that said, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Now, thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.